Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile logo to your Squarespace site. This is a great way to ensure your branding looks sharp and professional on mobile devices where screen space is limited and a custom mobile logo can make all the difference. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and projects. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to add the mobile logo. If you have multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one so you're working on the right project. Now, on the upper right corner of the screen, click Edit Site. This will open up the site editor where you can make changes to your website's design and layout. Then click the Edit button to enter the editing mode and start customizing your site. Next, navigate to your header section and click Edit Site Header. The header is where your logo and navigation typically live, so this is where you'll make the changes for your mobile logo. Once you're in the header editor, click on your title and then click the pencil icon. This will open up the settings for your site title and logo, giving you access to various customization options. Scroll down until you find Mobile Logo Image. This is a specific setting that allows you to upload a separate logo designed for mobile devices. Click the plus icon next to it to add your mobile logo. You'll now see two options: upload file or select from library. If you already have images uploaded to your Squarespace library, you can choose from there. If not, you can upload a new file directly from your device. For this tutorial, we'll choose select from library, browse through your library, and select the picture you want to use as your mobile logo. Once you've found the right image, click Add. This will set the image as your mobile logo. Now, on the upper right corner, click the mobile icon to switch to mobile view. This allows you to preview how your site will look on mobile devices and confirm that your mobile logo is displaying correctly. You should now see your mobile logo appearing in the header. Take a moment to check that it looks good and fits well on the screen. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save to apply the changes to your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a mobile logo to your Squarespace site. Your branding will now look polished and professional on mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.